Hey there guys, Ishak from Shaqtech here, and I thought I'd do a really simple tutorial for all you Lightroom users out there. So you've edited a photo and you really like this edit, and you see the setting being used numerous times in other edits that you may do, or you may want to share your settings in Lightroom to other users. The way you would do this is by creating a preset, and it's really simple to do in Lightroom. All you simply do, so this is Adobe Lightroom Classic. It is pretty much similar in all other Lightroom versions. You go to Develop, New Preset, and in here you can give it a preset name. So for example, this shot here already has some edits, as you can see in the right hand side. This is just going to be an edit for my Instagram. And what you do is you go new preset, name it something you want, name it something relevant. Let's call it the vintage. It's a bit of a vintage vibe. So user group, the group area is where it will be actually saved in the side panel for your presets. So by default, it will go to user presets, and that's where I usually keep all my presets. But of course, you can create your own group if you have heaps of presets you're making. Now, make sure all the settings that you want copied over is ticked in here. So white balance, exposure, contrast, clarity, etc. Of course, you can click the check all button if you want everything. Some of the stuff I don't, such as the transforms and graduate filters. I'm also not using that in this photo. So once you've done that, you're happy with that, create. And then what you'll see is in your user presets, you now have the option, that preset there now. So, which is actually really cool. Oops, okay. And so now if we go to this photo here, now this photo has no settings on it whatsoever. You can just go to vintage and apply. So you can see before and after. That's just with that preset applied, and you can see the settings. Once you click it, the settings have been copied over. What's really cool as well about presets is that this is actually saved as a preset file, as a .xmp file, which you can actually give to other Lightroom users, and they can import it into their project and use the same settings. So this allows you to, if you want, you can sell your presets, you can open up your own preset shop, or share it with any of your friends and family. And yeah, that's a real simple way of creating a preset, being able to share it, and in the long run apply it to numerous other photos instead of copying over all the settings. This will just do it off you, one click, and do everything for you. Let me know if you want to see how I actually edit some of my Instagram photos, how I actually do some of the color gradings, etc. If you want to see some of my work, check out my Instagram. I have the link down in the description. As always, thank you for watching. One, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.